Are you making a critical mistake on LinkedIn that can actually be hurting your business instead of helping it? Stay tuned to find out today on Quick Hits. What's up, hitters? This is Brandon Grieve with High Impact Technical Sales, enabling and inspiring you to crush it in technical sales. Salespeople, SEs included, have a wonderful opportunity to participate in one of the most valuable online business communities available today, LinkedIn. But far too often, this opportunity is squandered because they're using it like a hammer to beat their customers and prospects over the head. While I could discuss several common mistakes I see sellers make on LinkedIn, I'm going to draw attention to one especially egregious offense. But first, help us spread the word by smashing the like button below and leaving a comment. Let me ask you, do you follow anyone on LinkedIn who seems to constantly post about themselves, their business, or their products? Of course you do. We all do. In fact, if we're honest, that may even be us. When I log into LinkedIn, it's like a never-ending billboard of sales pitches. The posts often come from well-intentioned salespeople who simply share or repost canned content from their corporate marketing teams. But sometimes it's clueless and tone-deaf sellers who believe that if they just keep posting enough, the customers will eventually start banging on their door with a fistful of cash. At best, this constant self-serving barrage becomes noise that goes largely ignored. At worst, it makes the poster come across as being completely self-absorbed and devoid of any real value. In his book, Jab, 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 Right Hook, Gary Vaynerchuk talks about this in great detail. He likens good social media promotion to a winning boxing strategy. The fighter uses carefully crafted jabs to set up the right hook, the knockout punch that comes when least expected. We must do the same with LinkedIn, or any social media platform for that matter. Instead of constant self-promotion, try adding value by giving back to your LinkedIn community. Post content that benefits others in some way. A few examples include educational content, public service announcements, offering a gift, no strings attached, connecting others, words of inspiration, and publicly congratulating others' accomplishments. There are endless possibilities if you really think about it. All that said, is it sometimes okay to post things that promote your business? Of course it is. There has to be some give and take. As long as you're adding value back to the community, it's okay to ask for a favor in return every now and then. In other words, don't try to land the right hook until you set it up with some jabs first. Give, then ask. Yes, this takes some work and requires some extra time. It's called the law of sowing and reaping. Farmers don't get to harvest a crop until they've first done the work to till the ground, plant the seeds, and water them all year. If we as a community don't make a concerted effort to improve the way we use social media, not only will it become ineffective as a sales and marketing tool, it could actually do more harm than good. Worse, customers and prospects may get so tired of it that we may see them abandon the platform altogether. Then we all lose. But what do you think? I'd love to hear your feedback. Leave a comment and let's talk about it. Until next time, be enabled, be inspired, and go crush it in technical sales.